Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Timaya Sanko type beat. Timaya Sanko type beat. So I'm going to show you how I made this type beat from beginning to the end. So the first thing you need to know is Timaya does have dancehall music. So dancehall music is a genre from reggae music. So the dance part of it is called dancehall. So first you need to know, take note of is the tempo. So here, right here, I'm having 106 tempo because it's fast. I'm going to preview it by the metronome for you to see. I'm going to off my instrument. So that is how fast it is. So the first thing you should do is your sound selection. In your sound selection, you're definitely going to select sounds that are fitting to dancehall. So some of them are percussions and some of them are hard snare. So with the help of the hard snare, your dancehall beat is going to come out. So in this particular video, let me preview the instrument that I selected. So one of it is a bounce instrument, like here. You see how bounce it is, like an 808, but not exactly like 808, but it's just a pot kind of sound, a bouncy sound. Then the second one I selected was the kick, a hard kick. Then the third one is snare. This is a hard snare. So you must ensure that in dancehall beat you use a hard snare. So hard snare is part of the secret. So this is a hard snare. Then hi-hat to fill the background. So this is just a little percussion to back up the kick and snare. Then I have hi-hat here. So I have this local percussion that helps to spice the background. The next one I have, so just a percussion too, as well, to spice the background. So the first thing you need to do if we are to start the beats from the beginning is to play your drum section first. So the rhythm from your drum section is actually how it goes, and the rhythm goes like this. So whenever you want to make any dancehall beat, you must ensure that it goes like this. So that is, if you go online and you search for all dancehall music that you ever knew, so that is the rhythm of all dancehall. So make sure that any instrument that you select is going to go in that rhythm. Then after that, and I play this percussion. So this is exactly the rhythm of the drums. So ensure that you start like this. Let's go to the kick. First of all, you play the kick like this. Make sure you arrange your kick like this. Then the next one is your snare. So now that you've gotten your snare, then the next one is to spice this up with percussion. So this is the way I did my own. So with other small percussions from the make kick and snare to back up the makings, to give you this is exactly the little local flavor. The percussions give you the local flavor because the percussions are native instruments. So native instrument in the sense that common instrument that African uses, they are called native instrument. So I also spice it up with this one. So after this, the next thing I did was to play your chord. Your chord comes first. So most of the dancehall chord are like a bit reggae. So almost the same, but just the difference is that it's a bit faster. So guys, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you receive notification whenever I drop wonderful videos like this. So hit the like button and subscribe right now. So the next I did was the chord. So my chord goes like this. So I'm going to preview only this chord for you to see. So I also support it with the background chord as well. So if I play the two together, you see how the support goes. So this is a guitar flavor, flavor. So just to give it that, because they usually use guitar much in reggae music, is especially mostly guitar. So this is just a guitar flavor to back up the piano vamping. Then I support it back with a melody. Then the next thing I did was a woodwork, so to spice it up. So this is a very famous bass line. So you can see this particular bass line, you may have heard it in most of Timaya songs. So especially in most dancehall, this bass line is very, very famous. So if you also copy this particular bass line, like the one I did here, just do exactly the way the way the rhythm is going, and you're going to have the same result. So right now, so I'm going to play everything. I'm going to first play the drum section. Then after the drum section, you see the way I'm putting them on, then I'm going to add the chord. Then after the chord, I'm going to add the melody and I will add the bass. So let's go. So you make sure you lay your kick first like this. So you begin to lay up your percussion. So right now I'm going to add the chord. Then I'm going to add the background melody. So the next I'm going to do is to add the melody. I'm going to check out the bell. Then next I'm going to add the bass. So to recap, don't forget, start with your kick first. I'm going to preview it again so that you don't forget. Make sure your kick go like this. Make sure the way you're arranging your kick, your snare should go like this. Bah, 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 bah. Then your kick should go straight, like. Bah, bah. Then add this bounce kick to give it a feel background. Then you now give it a running shakers like this. After which I also added a feel, just a rolling. So this is like a transition when you are arranging from different sections of your beat. We've not gotten there yet. So like this. I have other ones. So let's go again. So these are my field. Then I added this to spice it up. So if I want to transit, maybe like from chorus to verse, I just added this little field. I'm going to put on everything for you to see the flavor, to hear the flavor. So guys, this is pretty much on how to make Timaya type beats. So try to replicate this. So to recap again, the first thing you're going to do is what? The tempo. So make sure you do what? You choose this tempo. You can also use the same tempo, range from 100 to 105, 105, 110. So it will make your beats feel danceable. Then the first thing you need to do after your tempo is to select your instrument calmly. So make sure you select sharp and hard instruments, like this snare that I have, and some few African drums instruments, percussion to back up the main kick. So the main kick here and snare is this. The main rhythm that is driving this beat is this one. So once you're able to get this arrangement, then every other thing will fit in automatically. Then these other little things are just percussions to just spice up and make the drum section feel better, sound better. Then after you have gotten your drum section, like this. Remember, the first thing is tempo, the second one is your drum section, then the third one is percussion. Then after you've gotten your drum section like this, the next thing you do is your melody or your chord. So I'll add it. Then after your main chord, this is the lead chord that we have on this project. Then you begin to back it up with melody. Then a background feel melody like this. So you begin to see that you begin to hear the African feel inside because of the African percussion that we use. Then after which, then you now add your bass line. The bass line is very, very grooving. So just don't make your bass line look so slow. So the bass line is one of the accompaniments that makes dancehall very, very unique to dance. So I add my bass line here, so you can see the bass line here. So guys, this is pretty much on how to, I've already arranged this beat. I'm just going to play it for you. The arrangement, how I did the arrangement. This is the way the arrangement sounds. So I'm going to preview it from the beginning. The intro here, I have the intro, I have the chorus, I have the solo, I have the chorus too, and so forth. I'm just going to preview this one for you to see how it goes. So guys, this is pretty much on how to make Timaya Sanko type beat. So make sure you follow this step, what I just showed you step by step, so that you can also get similar results. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you continue to get wonderful videos like this, and join our free music production class. Click the link is in the description below. Click the description and you're going to see our Telegram group where we drop free videos on how to make beats, mix and master your beats, where we show you tips and tricks on how to become a good music producer. So make sure you join that class. I see you there.